This is Europe-Land Toolbox's video tutorial for Project Data. Let's check the project data features of the Europe-Land Toolbox version 1.6 together. Let's explore the project data panel of the Toolbox. This section contains the case studies and the results generated within the Europe-Land project. We'll start with the case studies. In version 1.6, the available datasets include land use information for Portugal. When you click on a case study, it appears in your active layer list. You can toggle it on and off at any time. You may also click directly inside a polygon to view the metadata currently available for that region. Let's continue with Romania. When selecting a case study, the toolbox automatically zooms to the corresponding area. Here we can view the safe area and the land use datasets available at this stage. Any case study can be turned on or off and reactivated whenever needed. Next, let's look at Slovakia, which includes the main perimeter and land use data for specific years. You can easily explore differences between years by toggling the layers on and off in the order you initially loaded them. Now let's hide these layers and move to the results section. Currently, only some results are available, and the most important are linked to Work Package 2. These include the IACS harmonized datasets, presented in a hexagonal grid format. This structure will make future calculations easier. Hexagons shown in black represent available data. Red hexagons indicate data that is not yet included. If you zoom into an area with black hexagons, you can click on any cell to view the harmonized statistics for that specific hexagon, including crops, land use codes, area, tree coverage, and more. You can also inspect an example of the raw data. The platform cannot load the full raw datasets directly due to their size, so a small sample is shown here simply to illustrate the level of detail. All metadata presented originates from openly available IACS datasets provided by EU member states.